It was an emotional second day in the Eddie Mosley murder trial.
Mosley is accused of murdering DeLois Brown and her elderly parents at Brown's in-home daycare in Brooklyn Park. And today, the court heard from a key witness, the woman who dropped her son off at Brown's home the morning of the murders. Renee Bonneau is following the trial and joins us now with more. Renee?
Mike and Alex, the witness said that when she saw Eddie Mosley in the courtroom today, she was 98% sure he was the man leaving DeLois Brown's house minutes after Brown and her parents were shot to death. The woman testified she dropped her 4-year-old son off at DeLois Brown's in-home daycare at about 6:15 on the morning of April 9th last year. She said while walking back to her car, she noticed a man wearing a hooded sweatshirt on a bicycle who looked as if he was going to turn into Brown's driveway, but changed his mind when he saw her. She said as she drove away, she watched him make his way back toward the house. She told the court that's when she called DeLois Brown and said, "There's a suspicious man outside your door." The woman said she heard a commotion on the other line. Brown said, "Hey, you, stop." Then the phone went dead. The woman said when she returned to the house, she saw the man in the hooded sweatshirt come out the front door, stuff something in his clothing, and get back on his bike and ride away. She said at one point he looked right at her and she got a good look at his face. In addition to her testimony, the prosecution played a recording of her 911 call in court. The witness, as well as several of DeLois Brown's family members in the courtroom, wept at the point in the call when she found Brown and her parents. Investigators were never able to recover the weapon used in the murders or the bicycle the witness said she saw the suspect riding. So her testimony plays an important role in the prosecution's case. Mosley's attorney, meanwhile, told the judge it was hard for him to believe the witness has not been influenced by media reports. He had a chance to cross-examine the witness in the afternoon. Mike?